We'll guide you through how to fix and solve mouse cursor issues. Whether it's jumping, moving too quickly, glitching, or being too slow, we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing to solve these different problems. So this guide is pretty broad, so make sure it's this full guide, and hopefully at the end, we're going to have your problem resolved. So don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss the thing that goes and solves the problem. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what we need to do is go and navigate to our settings. So you can go and press search at the bottom and go and type in settings like so. Then in settings, what we can do is make this a little bit bigger. You want to come over to the left into Bluetooth and devices, and you can scroll down and you want to go and find mouse. Now what you can do is, if you're finding that the speed is too slow or too fast, you can click, hold and drag this to the left or right and go and see if that solves it. Next, you want to scroll down to additional mouse settings and click here. You'll go and get this pop up and you want to go into pointer options. So first of all, you want to unselect automatically move pointer to the default button in a dialog box. And you can go and unselect hide pointer while typing as well. Go and press apply and press OK. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't, you want to come back here. And what you want to do is come to pointer options. You can try unselecting enhance pointer precision. Go and press apply and then go and see if you prefer that. You can, if you find yours is currently off, you can try turning it on and see if you prefer that. Personally, I find it better and better for me when this is unselected and it sort of solves the problem I was facing. Hopefully that does. If you're still finding it's not working correctly though, you can come out of here and you want to press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in device manager like so. In here, you want to come over to the left and you need to go and find mice and other pointing devices and press the arrow to the left to expand it. You're going to have these HID compliant mouse and you can go and right click on them and you can go and press uninstall device and confirm the decision. And you can repeat that. Now, if your mouse stops working, don't worry. To go and resolve it, you go and press the Windows key on your keyboard, then keep pressing tab until you go and get to this bottom section with your name highlighted and use the right arrow key to select the power button, press enter. Then you can go down with the downwards arrow key and select restart and press enter to go and restart it. And then when your computer comes back on, it should be working. If you still find that it isn't working and you're using a wireless mouse, make sure you try charging it because often when it's low on battery, it can go and start glitching as well. And also check the bottom of your mouse and just go and give it a clean because sometimes the little sensor there can go and pick up some dust or debris, which is why it's glitching.